You're learning English wrong. Seriously, if you've been studying for months or even years and still can't speak with confidence, if you understand movies perfectly but go blank when it's your turn to talk, it's not because you're bad at languages, it's because you're stuck in a passive learning loop. Today, I'll show you the 3 mistakes keeping you silent and how the pros actually learn to speak fluently. Mistake number 1, the passive learning trap. Imagine trying to become a world-class chef by only watching cooking shows. You know everything about cooking, but still freeze in the kitchen. That's exactly what happens with English. Movies, podcasts, scrolling English posts. Most of it is passive. The pros, they step into the kitchen, they speak, they write, they recall words and phrases from memory. Because fluency isn't knowledge, it's a skill. Mistake number 2, the collector fallacy. Here's another trap. Collecting random words like trophies, benevolent, ubiquitous, ephemeral, cool words. But when do you actually use them? Pros focus on phrases, ready to use, plug-and-play language. Can I make a suggestion? She suggested we leave early. These are tools you can pull out instantly. Don't be a walking dictionary. Be a communicator. Mistake number 3, the silent spectator. You live your life in English. Your phone, your apps, your shows, but you almost never speak it. Speaking is a muscle, like guitar, like dance. You build it by using it. Try shadowing. Step 1, listen to a short clip. Step 2, listen again while reading the transcript. Step 3, speak along in real time, matching rhythm and intonation. Also, record yourself for 60 seconds every day. Talk about anything. Your breakfast, your weekend, your opinion. Then review and fix 1 mistake at a time. The system of the pros. 7-day kickstart. Here's a simple daily plan. 20 minutes speaking, 20 minutes shadowing, 10 minutes collecting full phrases. Active speaking. Pick a topic and talk. Shadowing. Copy native speakers word for word. Phrase collection. Save 5 to 10 full sentences you can actually use. This routine builds real fluency and compounds over time. Stop just watching English. Start speaking it. Which will you try first? Shadowing, a 60-second monologue, or a phrase stack? Drop it in the comments. And if you're ready to finally speak English confidently, subscribe and join me in this journey.